Hello everyone, I welcome you all for SVK tutorials. So in this session, I have taken a problem on angle between two curves. So let us solve one example on that. So I have considered a problem, show that the pairs of curves intersect each other orthogonally. That is, you require to show that the intersection of these two curves is equal to pi by 2 or minus 1. So the given two curves are r power n equal to a power n cos n theta and r power n equal to b power n sin n theta. So let us go with the solution. Consider the given curves r power n equal to a power n cos n theta and r power n equal to b power n sin n theta. So now we require to find out cot phi. Cot phi is what? 1 over r into dr by d theta. So to find out 1 over r into dr by d theta, taking log on both the side, taking log on both the side, we are going to get log r power n equal to log of a power n cos n theta. So similarly for another curve, log r power n equal to log of b power n sin n theta. So now you should know loss of logarithm, minimum loss of logarithm you should know. So here we know that log of a power m is given by m log a. Similarly, log ab is nothing but log a plus log b. Knowing these two loss of logarithm, I am going to apply loss of logarithm here. So log r power n can be written as what now? Log r power n can be written as n log r equal to, apply loss of logarithm here, log a power n plus log cos n theta. Applying loss of logarithm for another curve, so we are going to get n log r, which is equal to log b power n plus log of sin n theta. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta on both the sides. We are going to get n is constant here. Differentiation of log r is 1 over r into derivative of r is dr by d theta. Which is equal to differentiation of log a power n. Derivative of log a power n will be 0. Differentiation of log of cos n theta is 1 over cos n theta. Derivative of log cos n theta is 1 over cos n theta is multiplied with derivative of cos n theta is minus sin n theta into differentiation of n theta is n. So what I have done, differentiation of log cos n theta is 1 by cos n theta into derivative of cos n theta is minus sin n theta into derivative of n theta is n. Just I have applied chain rule. So here as we have in between equality, so n get cancelled. You are left out with what? 1 over r dr by d theta, which is equal to minus sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan n theta. Similarly, let us find out the derivative of another curve, that is n into derivative of log r is 1 over r into dr by d theta. Similarly, differentiation of log b power n is 0. Derivative of log sin n theta is 1 over sin n theta into derivative of sin n theta is cos n theta into derivative of cos n theta is n. What I have done, differentiation of log sin n theta is 1 over sin n theta into derivative of sin n theta is cos n theta into differentiation of cos n theta is n. So again n get cancelled. You are left out with 1 over r dr by d theta, which is equal to cos by sine. Cos by sine is cot n theta. So I told you that we require to find out cot phi. Cot phi is given by 1 over r into dr by d theta. As we have two curves here, I am going to denote the first curve as cot phi 1. For the first curve, I have denoted cot phi 1, which is equal to, as we have minus tan n theta, we can write in terms of cot of phi by 2 plus n theta. Phi by 2 plus n theta. Similarly, for the second curve, I will denote that as cot phi 2, which is equal to cot n theta. Now, by taking inverse, cot inverse of cot theta is theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is what? Theta. Therefore, phi 1 will be equal to phi by 2 plus n theta. Similarly, phi 2 will be equal to n theta. What I have done? I have taken cot inverse. I have shifted this to right hand side. It becomes cot inverse of cot theta. Is nothing but what? As we know that, you can note down, cot inverse of cot theta is nothing but theta. Is nothing but theta. This is what I have applied. So therefore, I got phi 1 as phi by 2 plus n theta and phi 2 as n theta. So now taking the absolute value called a modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, which is nothing but modulus of phi 1 is phi by 2 plus n theta minus phi 2 is n theta. So n theta get cancelled. You are left out with what? Modulus of phi by 2. Modulus of phi by 2 is positive value, which is nothing but phi by 2. Thus we can conclude that thus the curves intersect each other orthogonally. We got the value of the intersection of those two curves as pi by 2. Therefore we can conclude that the curves intersect each other orthogonally. So this is the way to solve the one of the problem called angle between two curves, and show that the angle between those two curves is pi by 2 or minus 1. So I thank you all. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, you can put a message. I am going to clear your doubts, and if you required any other problems, to drop a message. I am definitely going to solve that problem. Thank you once again. Thank you all.